Hi, Alex here. Going to do a very short video to describe how to export or work in Excel with Azure DevOps. Now, I wince a little bit about this. Working in Excel, I get it, but might be better off trying to work your way around Azure DevOps. I don't blame you for trying to get Excel, but there are some advantages. You can copy and paste rows and stuff. But really, if you can't work out of Azure DevOps and you're moving to Excel, Excel is a client application. It's made for one computer and one person. I know it's become something that we share around, but it's still designed for one person, really. And so when you share it, you're not really getting the benefits of a server application, which is to be shared with others. Nevertheless, I understand it's a need, so let's go through. Now, there's two ways to do it. I'm going to show you the way that I can because I'm on a Mac, and so I can't show you the PC way, but I'll give you an idea of what the PC way is. Here's a backlog. It's just a normal backlog, got 2 items in it. The way to get it into Excel is using these 3 little dots here, but there is no export to Excel from a backlog. So you have to create a query. So on the 3 little dots, you go create a query. And it'll pop up and ask you, what do you want to call your query? You want to save it into customers. I'm just going to save it what it's called by default. Don't want to be too imaginative. And once I've got a query, it's going to say, well, if you're going to save that, but it doesn't give it you straight away. You have to come up here and click here to view it. So now it's saved a query to your query library. You click here to view it, and it will take you to that query, which is effectively taking you down here, look. So now this is highlighted, and it's gone to one of the queries. So you can see there's some breadcrumbs at the top. At that point, you can export to CSV, which is the same as going to Excel. So if I just click that, what will happen is, I'm not sure this is appearing on the recording, but down here, it's just downloaded out of Chrome as CSV. And it will be in the CSV, a list of items. If it's a nested items, they'll be nested in Excel. They're not nested here. There's just a nice flat structure. Now, the real thing that you can do is if you're on a PC, is you want to go and get your service desk to install this little tool, Azure DevOps Office Integration. Now, if you do that, you'll find straight away that you are getting much better integration. And then a little button will pop up that says work in Excel. And it won't export anything. It will just open up Excel. And you can work live. You can delete rows, and it will delete the work item. Obviously, be very careful about that. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. How to work in Excel.